say R.I.P. to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can't never know. Money, no one will never get a body. And you might be your dad. Then you're not going to get it. Ooh, I gotta go get no. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so why? Yageta momo nubia bogamare we iyere de wu. Bawo ni ta me mi go we de wo sawe se we iyere de wu. How will I say? Tu have the mutia, tu have the think about it. Eso no. Ya lo enobiye. Why yo yo. Ayale na bibeto. Ayale. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? No when they do like say, you the listen that you don't pass. Look at they do like say, ayemiomo no be why you there. Who have salon? What they say your way? I'm even a you when ya. Who you about to do? Mene. Where do we want more your bar? Lakmo, society. Sharon Okpamen, my beautiful sister. May your soul rest with perfect peace. Now that you give me, I already know. Nobody shall go, yeah, she don't know. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon?
Share this video, guys.
How can I silly me? Say R.I.P. to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can never know. Money, no one would ever get a body. And you might be your dad. Then you're not going to get it. Ooh, I gotta go get no. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? Why? Yageta momo nubia bogamare we iyere de wu. Bawo ni ta me mi go we de wo sawe se we iyere de wu. How will I say? Tu have the mutia, tu have the think about it. Ejaro enobiye, why yo yo. Ayale na bibeto. Ayale. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? No when they do like say, you the Look at that, do I say? Ayemiomo, who have salon, what I sell your way, and every little when ya. Who you was to do many, where you were, who you were. Ramo, society. Sharon Okpamen, my beautiful sister. May your soul rest in perfect peace. Somebody shout out, yeah, she don't go. Shout out, she don't go. Yeah, this song. Sharon Okpamen. Why so soon? Yeah.
All right, my lovely people. I greet love now, but that's time. Please share this video after watching me now. Share this video. Let me give you guys the update about Sharon's corpse. You know, this is them. We just lock up. When we say we lock up, we don't know what's in the sock. They do underground work. So I'm bringing up the update today. So guys, share this video.
Yeah.
When I don't want to take for the video, but I'll still come back like again. You get a lot to talk about. Please guys, share this video. I greet you all with saltandwater right there. Good evening, good afternoon, because wherever you are watching this video from. I see one of this is from Umenwan, the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media the social media bongo, the social media ayemiomo, the social media akobisi. Runda, if I not see akobisi, you're up by me, but more about with the smile. I don't mind drink. So guys, the latest updates about Sharon's corpse. You know what it takes in without bury Sharon. Sharon is not yet buried all this while. Those people, they just bring those rumors. They don't know anything about Sharon's corpse anymore. That was why they were bringing down the rumor that say Sharon, they don't bury the corpse. Sharon corpse, the breaking news here, the update here today. I want you guys to please share this video, share it to the association where Sharon belongs to, so that they should know the updates, the latest updates. Because I'm going to be giving you, I promise the whole world that I'll be giving you guys the update about this Sharon's corpse. So, all this while, there were some documents that the Italian government requested from the Nigerian embassy. So the thing take time before they could bring the documents. Permission from Abuja or other stuff. So they dropped the documents, and the document has been signed, verified, translate. Now, as we speak, Sharon is already on his way straight down to Nigeria. So they're going to carry Sharon, they go as now. Sharon is going to be in Benin Airport on Thursday. Sharon corpse is going to be in Benin Airport on Thursday. So guys, if you know you love Sharon, you did Benin. Now we did Benin. So Sharon, they come house now. Sharon not big. We want come now for us. So we want to take care of and wait for us. We want to see you now updates. You understand? So every update about Sharon's burial arrangement, I'm still going to bring that here. You understand? The thing we say, if Sharon reach Nigeria now, no we say as the rich house that they bury and the rest. No. The carry they go house now, and over to the family. The necessary things will be done. But before then, I don't want I more konya kosi when I share the video, make people for sit down in the listing. I don't want to repeat myself, You understand? Some of the things we be say, some of the bring rumors for media. You understand? Some are truth, some are lie. You understand? So I will break to now the major part of it, or the major truth within inside the rumors when they broadcast for media. Sharon service of song, they don't do one for Italy here, fine. Now they carry the place go house to go bury as custom and traditions demand. But now, before they bury Sharon first, as Sharon the rich house, the first burial what they go first do, now Sharon father burial, and they go first do, because in father, they don't bury him. They just put him for ground normally those days. If you hear that money and they will bury him, the children don't grow, they come to their burial. So they go first sort in father home first, normal level. You know that one of the hard business they don't buy it by. Now I have those kind of things. Normal level they do necessities that need to be brought as customer traditions demand. Have your negbe. If you negbe ya have your negbe. We don't let here. I will let. I'll get close. Then Sharon can continue before Sharon can be late to rest. You understand? So that is it. That why we Sharon you talk. About why more to normal level. I tell you why we are kuya be kene. TV again one ya only a we canopy sky. Ya only a musha musa makajasi. Ya only a route them the yaku Sharon. Ya like one. That is left for them. You understand? But as we did now, we just want to do the needful as custom and traditions demand. So that's the reason why as I make a bring out to the general public, you can know the updates about Sharon Okpamen. You understand? So by our Thursday, Sharon is going to be straight down in Benin. So all the enhanced member, all the Mona the airport, Benin airport, and anyone can come down. So Mona make sure say on the airport, Mona follow and come house. You understand? Mona follow and come house, and then they get the people. So every update about Sharon, I'll be beginning that year, making the year steady. How did they work, how did they go? Everything will fall out. Little by little. You understand? And because I don't get time, I get time I forgot to take follow them. Yes now, big boy. I don't get time. I've got some. I'll go that's what I do for her. I'm gonna try the video. Everybody here. Me blogger. All this about Sharon Okpamen. Cause Sharon now come to Italy. They go Naijawatch. So that's the update. Any other update that will come after now, I will see the update now. But for the time when the call hotel land Benin airport, the actual time I'm waiting on no. No, if you give my time now for the Benin airport when you could take when the calls will come down on Thursday. So but definitely I know that on Thursday either maybe you're gonna kind of one and go don't come down. One in cops will don't come down for Benin airport. So for those of you who obviously want to go there, when I systemize myself, the airport, everybody be on black and black. On the story, be on black and black. And I remember, I leave the rest for to do. You want to ask now. So why I quickly break now? I collect and reach Lagos first before I bust the news. I say no one catch me on our way. So that I will first get and say you accept nothing on Thursday. I'm literally now Tuesday now. Wednesday, Thursday, I must still get time. You understand? Tomorrow, no, I'm supposed to seduce now. Now doing is now work. I don't see Thursday. Sharon will come Benin. Direct go there Benin airport on Thursday. He don't already come for Italy here. As when we talk now, Sharon already move for Italy here. Sharon not do Italy again now. You understand? So Thursday go there Benin. Then from there pick him up straight to the right place, the family chamber. Naijawatch. I want to say very big thanks to every one of you guys out there, all the social media, live video presenters, both the ones supporting Sharon's, the one against Sharon's. May God richly bless you guys. I want to say very big thanks to all the bloggers, both the one blogging for Sharon's favor or blogging against Sharon's. May God bless you guys. I want to say big thanks to all Sharon friends, home and abroad. You guys are the best, and you forever be the best. I love you guys, and we love you guys. May you guys continue to stand for truth, stand for justice. You understand? Even as we speak right now, Sharon is university finish until Sharon not late to rest. You understand? If you watch, you got to go to the research. I come pause. I decide to pause. The moment they prove the evidence where they will make the talk, the story where they will make, but I decided to pause so that we will focus on how to take her home. You understand? Because I do my thing as my spirit leads. So for all of now, we say, you support the mother, Sharon mother. May God bless all of you now. For all of you now, we see they against the mother. May God bless all of you now. Now try. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. Don't say the mother too holy. Nobody will know they made mistake. And nobody's above mistake. You guys are the best. And you remain the best. Keep doing your best in all ramifications of life. Whether in good or in bad, you are the best. It depends on the one you belong to. The category where you belong to as far as media is concerned. If you belong to the good side, congratulations. If you also belong to the negative side, congratulations. No one will not get game. So keep doing it well. The way we know how to do it best. And for those of you viewers, may God still bless you. Those of you that are sharing our videos, may God bless you. Now I'm going to continue to share. Yes, now help. The share self now help. The love and like once the press now help. We also press it back. Give me love and like. It don't mean nothing. We don't go till love. You don't go. You understand? So the tears don't go bring her back again. You need to do just to share the video. So that the next person go here. Especially for the way the Naija. This is now we're gonna help you share and well. So that then when they go, they go feel know the updates with all the celebrities, the musicians, the actors and the actresses. So they will know the updates about their own fellow colleagues that is coming home on Thursday. What to do. If the film so be not say, we're not here. And people come here and come and now we'll do. When you say Sharon, don't go host. Don't go relax, don't go house, don't go relax. So I just go back now. Make una fall out for her. On Thursday, make una Matt Airport 247. If you don't have the airport from morning till evening, you know bad. She deserves her. You understand? She's been a nice woman. So please guys, turn on for Sharon Okpamen on Thursday. Everybody here do wa talk about the who are 7 or Tima no yegbe no party agua. You understand? That way no be magu tofia. You can buy my dear or the nobody. Well, I want to mirror you. That was showing him on the see we. Banana, you know, I went near the so my dear, I do nobody or I read the Thursday. The Thursday, or airport, Benin airport. So, na lao, na mi agbajaba. Away na uniru. I Yamapana is an Okweko. They kept Bolokama when I go no mania. Malaho, or Gano, we know what is our mamma. No more Gadamo. Or Yami and Badja. It is Thursday now. I am well, I am Mose. I do. Kiwani, but I'm already well. Work boy. You understand? That will not be more. I know. I no okay. If not one here the mini, I tell me we no biomo. I know no okay. I hear Timori we no okay now. We no bio no bio. I'm ready. We that. So the vasiva a bear or way. I came here with Sharon to Undaway of Benny in a year. Within a fear. So I'm aware we no kicking out. Nda wunya ye gieni awana ni ai ke mienwe kini gbe sha on la ba ai ka wo ge yan ha we wo ge ni on to ikpe we no serve yin na ge nyime mona sa so ake so boyo ge otima ge sha so nu wala ho iviedo o ugi so do ne ase na dane de na kenia na sio kakna ye ran so digi sio ko si yaji osun ne oso wa ne so nu wala wo nu wa mi agbaja na mi we ugeni aboboy ayaki watoge e ya e mokonie. I trust Benin people. I know what they can do. You understand? Yeah, when the Sharon Okpamen was there, you don't lock up. No, you know so what now. I want to see you guys turn up. You understand? Please, all the celebrities, all the comedians, the entertainers, you guys should show love to your sisters. You saw why you were. Turn up in peace. I greet you all with better style. I want to also say very big sorry and my condolences to the family of Sharon Okpamen. I understand because I'm easy. Monisa was a boy now. I could mean where Lucia Bay, we no year. So the one yet team by waiting for you guys to bear the lost. And I want to also say a very big thanks to every one of you out there who have been supportive to this move of Sharon taking back home. May God bless all of you now. Ekpon wake ariwo ladian ya kanti maga pin down. A good fund me now form in a radio talk. Ekpon wake ariwo ladian the UA radio. Von ya voyo alagoda wami. Wa hiya na gbo wa ken na mo ma so agmo akuaba. Wa lezigo seka, wa lezigo zudo. Igo no ya wa ya wo ma e wa aze. So no bono bi wa ma. Omo igu wa, odo igu wa, ame igu wa, eten igu wa. Uwa to wa to wa to mazaka. Uda zaka to agun na yemi la ho ye. Ewi na gbo mo gbe. Wi e dunu zo mo ya wa to wa gbe. Ala wo. Owo bo pa mu ru to. Ala ho na ko bo gbe na ya mi ewe. Ugyo beri age otimana. Okin wa dogi na ga takian. Yes. O magele gba ni mani yedo. Agima gbani man aya mo jake opolo kan wa o obi agbo ere bade le wa ge emesu hundawe mi ame dion isokin arewa but wa na be ge agba ya o tu ba abe din gbekere na gbo ya be mi agba ja bade le eme mi no re yo ma gbere eme mi amo pa no re yo ma gbere eme ezo pa mo ha re yo ma gbere odian we o you are always there, you are there for him, for her. Not for the age. Yeah, we man we where kuna idion you can't see arriva or you can't see the way you can't see monyoge. Only mommy where your presence alone matters most. This is one of the mentality market mama. You might not eat the food there, but at least being there matters. You might not get the one in mind. Because my way when they go man kabole imagine you even did there wow because when the business open say my equal the say when you wa when you was saying say we don't give a fuck, we don't give a hate, we don't give a f, we don't give a this one and ya me yawa. You understand? So wala ho wa mi agba I wo kan kire no. You understand? But there's what mo kan kire no omo no de no do bad and no no devil no de do omo do ya hanga omo do ya hiu Sharon ga ni mani yedo. Due to the Benin entertainment no ga age zebe no mo egbereji we no ya yin we no ya yobo mo okpe amoku That was the major reason why you see me particularly coming out to talk about her. You understand? That's why a little misunderstanding of our Moega. You know, the son of a billion joy. You understand? So, you know, David I'm married. Oh, so no wahala. You don't know. You guys should turn on for Sharon Okpamen. I'm not group those guys who are most of tall right there. That is the latest update about Sharon Okpamen. So why want in mind? On Thursday, Sharon Okpamen is going to be in Benin Airport. Benin Airport, Airport Road, or yeah, whatever. Please that day, make Airport Road cast. He don't 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 cast. Don't play. You might also see me there with mistake or no. I feel you see the airport that day, steady Benin Airport. And that's what they do. But for the now, I did Italy. That day, on Thursday, you feel him from Benin Airport. Basta. If it happen like that. So please guys, try as much as possible to turn up on that very fateful day. And by the grace of God, we're also going to be giving you guys the updates about the cops and everything that's going to be happening there, live and direct. I must reach to Lopuna. Oh, I must talk. So right now, right away, I'll be ending this broadcast because this is for Sharon personally. And I'll be coming back again for Mr. Usarodion Omila Usagi. Usarodion Omila Usagi, aka America Junkie. We are going to be coming back for America Junkie. We collect 100 million from a single mother who based in the UK. No more the UK. Do my drink on my own. Who money the okay? The okay, my guy. 100 million. Not be drink. Not be joke. She did okay. Alright guys, see you guys later. Now bye bye for now.